Hi, this is wpholder, the Ukrainian guy who will help you to fix your issues with your website. You can ask me for direct help by email in description under this video. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click like. I'm trying my best and it's easy and free for you. Okay, today I want to show you how to resolve issues unable to upload this file type. Okay, so for example, we have SVG image or you have some TTF font. Actually, in my case, it will be SVG image, so this solution will work only for SVG image. So I want to upload it, and it says, sorry, you are not allowed to upload this file type. Now I'm going to show you the solution. If my video helped you, you can say thank you by leaving some donation to support me. All info is in description under this video. So you should do few easy steps. First, go to plugins, click add new, and write SVG support. It's lightweight plugin and it will not affect your WordPress speed, so feel free to use it. 1 million installation, so it's very cool. Click activate. Okay, now we should see this plugin in settings. Yes, you actually don't need to check the settings. So just let's go to media files, refresh, and let's try to upload the file again. Great, we have SVG. Let's confirm it's SVG. Yes, you see, SVG. Okay, so I really hope my video helped you, and I hope you subscribe and like this video to support me. So have a good day, have a good business, have a good luck. Thank you. Thanks for watching.